Replace sugary snacks with healthier options like fruits, nuts, or yogurt. Drink more water to help flush out toxins and reduce cravings. Be mindful of hidden sugars in processed foods by reading labels carefully. Remember, it's not about completely eliminating sugar, but finding a balance that works for you. Small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements in your health over time. With determination and the right strategies, you can break free from the grip of sugar addiction and pave the way for a healthier, more vibrant life. Planning your meals ahead of time can also help you avoid the temptation of sugary snacks. Enjoy balanced meals that include a variety of nutrients to keep you satisfied and energized. Regular physical activity can also help reduce sugar cravings and improve your overall well-being. Practicing mindfulness can make you more aware of your eating habits and help you make healthier choices. Don't hesitate to seek support from friends, family, or support groups who can help you stay on track. Celebrate your small victories along the way to stay motivated and committed to your journey. Overcoming sugar addiction is a journey, but with persistence and the right strategies, you can achieve a healthier, more fulfilling life.